So these are all the safety checks that Ward and Burke employees and operatives should be using before they operate the machinery. First of all, check that these are secure, the bucket pins. Check for any signs of stress around here, there and there. Again, on the lifting eye, if you check for any signs of stress around here, and also if there's any wear down around there. Okay, now you always check the hoses, and there's no kinks or any leaks or any cracks in there, or any oil leaking. Check down for debris around here and here. Your blocking bar spring is working. Also check there's no debris down here or in here. Also check there's a magnet, this part here, make sure there's no debris on there and that is clean. Make sure this spring is straight and that is all in one piece and there's no fraying. Also that these bolts are tight and secure. Also check these bolts are tight and secure and the spring that goes down here again is straight. The grease points you've got to look for on this part of the machine are on the blocking bar, on the cylinder and also on the ABS. Check for any debris down the back of the hook here. Also grease on the hook and under here at the end of the ram. To get to the greasing point at the end of the ram, you will have to open the coupler.